Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Just wanted to give you a short video, and it's a video subject that you don't get very much information on here on YouTube. My name is Thomas, and I am from the trade group analysistutor.com. Just real quick, this is for people who are curious about futures and futures trading, and sometimes we're always told that you have to have large amounts of money in order to trade futures. And futures have a benefit. The benefit is that they don't fall under the PDT rule. So that means that you can trade futures, specifically options on futures as well. And you can trade in and out as long as you like, because they do not fall under the PDT rule, because these are international equities, the futures. Again, you do not have to fall under the PDT rule. And I'm going to show you with two of my trading accounts. This is live Sunday, July 17th, 2022. And this is Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade's trading software. You notice it says the NYSE opens in 11 hours, 4 minutes, and 48 seconds. But you know what? All we have to do is look at a futures a futures chart, and I will show you. So just really quick, I'm going to go up to chart, select this tab. We have a blank chart. I'm going to put in a symbol, but I'm going to search through the symbols. I'm just going to go where my cursor is, where it says enter symbol. I'm going to go to futures, click futures. These are the futures that are trading right now. The main ones have options on them. So I will show you. For instance, let's take a look at something that is common to most people. The micro ES is a smaller contract, and then we have the ES. I'm running past it, sorry about that. The ES, which is right here. Click this, double click. This enters the symbol. Mine defaults to a different type of bar. I'm going to change this. The appearance, sorry if I'm moving fast, this is the equal volume. I'm just going to go with the regular candles, candlestick, hit apply, hit OK, and I'm going to just remove some things off of my chart. Remove old drawings. Okay, we're just going to remove drawing, clear drawing set, yes. These are just some alerts that are set, and I just wanted to show you briefly. I'm going to go in here. It says do not show alerts, hit apply, hit OK. This is your regular volume with an open interest line, but if you notice right here, you notice today is Sunday, and you have a green price bar. I'm going to go to the side, and I'm going to show you even better on an active trader, or even a time and sales. And these are the contracts and the times and the amounts that are actively trading. This market is live and it's open. Live and it's open. So you can actually trade right now if you like. You notice that the price is now green, 38.73. These markets actually trade 24/5, roughly 23/5, 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. They close at 6 p.m. on Friday evening. They open up Sunday at 6 p.m. and they try it all the way again till Friday. However, they do stop daily, and they stop at 4:30 to about 5:45, and that's just to refresh the servers and the exchange, financial banks, and the back end for these futures. Little fun fact: did you guys know the stock market, when it first started open up in the 1800s, the stock market traded 7 days a week, believe it or not? Regular equities. So just to show you that this is live. So to get to the content, what I was actually talking about is futures, and specifically trading a future, the contract on options. So we go to the trade tab, hit trade tab, and we have to put our futures back in here because I'm just using a very basic setup. We're not getting into strategies right now. So double click and you see a options chain. Options chain roughly shows in the parentheses the days to expiration, the specific contract titles here. So let's select one that has a single day left. So this means it ends at the end of Monday. So we'll open this up, we'll go to strikes, we'll select all. These are all the strikes that are available for someone to trade. We'll go down, and just roughly, these are out of the money on the put side. This is in the money on the call side, and these are the strike for the specific equity. This is the ES. So say you wanted to anticipate the price of the ES to go down, you would go on the put side. But this is what you would do if you wanted to go at the money. You would go right slightly in the money. You would click to buy, and it's $20.50. And you're thinking, wow, this to buy a put contract for 1 day expiration is going to be $2,000. No, it's not. Let's select confirm and send. It's roughly half. So you see right here that the max loss, of course, buying a put is the $1,012.50. This tells you the cost of commission and so forth, trading fee. But so roughly what you thought was going to be $20 in some odd cents is actually only $1,015.32 in order to put this trade on for the put. So I'm just going to cancel this. I'm going to delete. Well, say you didn't want to spend that much and you still had the anticipation that the price was going to go down. So what would you do? You could tackle this in two ways. You could go here and you could still buy a put, but you're going to do something called a put vertical. So you'll click on right click, you want to buy, you go up to vertical. That means that you are simultaneously buying and selling. So this is a vertical. Since you are buying one contract, which is the 38.75, and then you're selling the 38.70, and you're doing this in order to conserve your capital and just say you didn't have the $1,000 in order to trade. You can still work this specific trade out. This way it has a capped line of profit. So now it's $2.25 times 100. Remember, cut in half. So we'll go confirm and send. Boom. You can now get into this trade with this options contract for only $118.14. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is information that a lot of people do not know. This is information that professional hedge funds and professional advisors don't like people to know. And I'm just sharing the knowledge with you. We can get into strategy later. Strategy is a whole nother topic, but I just wanted to let you know and show you on this specific platform. However, I do use another platform as well. With the Thinkorswim, you have to have special permission in order to just trade the options on futures. And you must have a minimum of, I believe, $2,200 in your trading account. So I'm just going to delete this. But anyway, you see it is $118.14. The secret sauce to get around the $2,000 amount would be to go to a brokerage that is called Tastyworks. Tastyworks. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Tastyworks does not have any special access. All you have to do when you initially sign up for a trading account is you want to sign up for the account that says The Works. And you can literally trade options on futures with $200 to $300 in your trading account with Tastyworks. So let's go to a options chain just to give you an idea. This is the live chart. Remember, futures are trading now, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a 9-to-5 job and that was holding you back from trading, and you were not comfortable with trading crypto or either trading Forex, you can trade futures on options. Yes. So let's go over here to Trade tab. Trade tab here. We select that. We're going to go into 1-day expirations, ES futures. These are options contracts again. So what I do like, this has many features, Tastyworks does. They have a strategy bar up top here. And if your strategy was to short, let's look at some of the different choices. You can go short, call vertical, short strangle, short straddle, or you can buy the future outright, short. But we're talking about the options on futures. So just basically we'll go up here, and you remember before we wanted to say that we think the price of the ES is going to go down a little bit. So we want to be short. We want to specifically go to call, leave it at call, go to vertical. We can go here, hit go. When you hit go, this platform automatically places strikes at a given point. Now, you can move these strikes up or down. You can move them so far out. You can move them wherever you want to. But say you wanted to say, all right, we're going to draw a line in the sand. The current price is $38.73.50, and I want to say that I don't think the ES futures options contract, which is same as the futures price, is not going to go any higher than 3,900. So you would move your strikes down to here, and this is what it would be. So since you are shorting a call, you are receiving a credit, so you may say. So this is what your contracts are. go to review and send. We'll hit review and send. Okay. And this specific amount is that it reduces your buying power $273.37. But at the expiration of this trade, you have the potential of receiving a credit for $75. So you would hit confirm and send. So let's talk through this a little bit. The specific credit that you would receive would be as if the price never got up to 3,700. And remember, this is a 1-day expiration contract. So let's say it got to that price, but the market didn't close and finish at that price. Well, with trading costs and fees, you would have a credit of probably about $72. But of course, you would keep your $273.37, which was your reduction of your buying power, i.e., your leverage in order to get into this buy-sell contract. So we'll clear this order and just say you wanted to do the opposite. And you said, okay, I want to go long a put because I think the price is really going to go down. You could go, I want to go long put, and again, it will be a vertical for this specific strategy. You hit go, and it automatically places these. So you remember with Thinkorswim, we stayed on the put side, and that trade was roughly about $118 was the cost to buy a put vertical, which we're anticipating the price going down. We are buying a contract, and for protection, we're selling another one. Hit confirm and send. Hey, it's a debit of $112.50. Your reduction power for this specific contract is actually $144.24. So again, you could get into this trade for less than $200. So this is how you can trade futures with a small account. Simply put, trading futures with a small account, futures options. So I hope that you found this helpful. If you found any information that you didn't know, something that you learned, please hit the like and subscribe, and there'll be more content to come. I promise you. Even have a Discord channel, have a website. You can talk to me directly and go over some strategies. But this is information that the big boys and the big girls do not like you to know. This is Thomas. Take it easy. Catch you on the next one. See ya.